In this video, I'm going to highlight a few of Esri's ArcGIS apps, such as Living Atlas, Story Maps, Survey 123, Geo Inquiries, and ArcGIS Online. Let's begin. The Living Atlas is a collection of geographic information such as maps, apps, and data layers. I found this map on the Living Atlas. In the classroom, I could use a map such as this to start a conversation or a discussion. By displaying the map and asking students what they notice and what they wonder, we can generate a list of questions. They may pick up on the different shades of pink, they may ask about the different size of squares, and they may even come up with an observation that you didn't predict. Once they have a list of questions, share the link to the map and ask kids to interact with the different parts in order to answer their own questions. The Story Maps app is a versatile feature that both teachers and students will find useful. This story map is designed to walk students through several activities. There are links to outside resources, an interactive Esri map, and even an embedded Google Doc. The second example definitely sets the tone to discuss a difficult time in world history. Offer story maps as an option for students to respond to the curriculum. They can include text, images, links, and their own interactive express maps. Here's a second example of a student-created express map highlighting the areas in and around India. The Survey 123 app allows students to add content to a map. This is a seamless method for students to collaborate on a class task that results in an interactive map resource. For this example, students filled out this questionnaire in Spanish and then attached all of their information to a point placed on a map. The end result is this resource. Each one of these points is a single submission from a student. And we can zoom out to see more points. Esri has created several map-based activities for various subjects. These activities, known as Geo Inquiries, provide a nice introduction to map layers. For each activity, you are provided with a set of directions and a map link. Click on the link to access the map layer. By default, the legend pops up. Click on Content to interact with the different layers of the map. Map layers can be viewed as a crossover app. The resource that can be explored through Geo Inquiries or added to Story Maps also has built-in spatial analysis tools. These analysis tools are the foundation of ArcGIS and are the elements of the software that separate it from other mapping apps. If you're interested in searching for map layers that pertain to your curriculum, or interested in creating your own map layers, click Map. By doing so, you are taken to the ArcGIS online workspace. Go up to Add, and you'll see there are a lot of different ways that you can search for information. I can go to the Living Atlas layers and start searching. And I could also go down to ArcGIS Online. To preview a map, click and add it to your workspace. Click on the components to view the information. If it's what you're looking for, click Save. Anything that you save will be stored in your content section of your account. If it's not what you're looking for, no worries. Remove it from your workspace and search some more. Regarding creating your own map layers, well, I will discuss those steps in future videos. Moving into the world of map layers allows teachers and students to begin understanding the world around them on an analytical level, creating opportunities for classes or individual students to work on call-to-action projects where they pursue the answers to big questions through the ArcGIS steps of collecting, mapping, and analyzing data.